What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So I'm sitting here at the car wash. So if you don't follow me on any other social media, I'm getting ready to go back to the States. At 28 days now. So today's November 7th. November 7th. They're super strict over here about sending your cars back with like any kind of leaves or dirt anywhere. So it's got to be super clean. But unfortunately, in Germany, it's wet season. So it's pretty much cloudy and rainy and wet, snowing, whatever, all the time. So I washed it last night and drove home, drove back, and now it's already dirty again. So gonna give it another quick wash over and drive super slow over to the place, turn it in, and we'll see what they do. So I'm gonna try to video it as much as I can, a little bit documenting the process. Because being this is my personal channel, I wanted to try to show a little bit of the ins and outs of being overseas, what it's like to be a civilian, and then at this point, what it's like going back. So hope you guys enjoy. So strange sometimes. I forget that €1 and €2 coins, so you get like a whole bunch of coins, and you're like, man, I don't really have that much, and then you're like, oh wow, that's $20. But yeah, totally just washed it. Actually went through the auto wash also, like a double check, and this thing is already trashed. Oh well. I'm not sure how anal they are about the dust. Like, they got rags and stuff if they are really bad about it, but I mean, it's a daily driven car. I don't know what they want me to do to get it show ready, but they did say that they check a lot about the leaves and stuff in front of the radiator and in the cowl, so I guess we'll check them. And I'm glad I looked. Yeah. Everything is good except for dirt. So back at the house. It got kicked back for dirt under the hood, which from the first piece, I guess you could see that. There were some random leaves in different areas, and I went to the car wash and sprayed most of it down. Gave it a pretty good wipe down. Kick me back for crap like that, but there's just some dust up here. I probably should have washed it off at the car wash. I think if it was wet, they probably wouldn't even have thought about it, but they're giving me crap for like, oh, under the coolant jug, like I need to get down there and get that last little bit. But yeah, I don't know. They were even saying that like, oh yeah, the Americans don't care, they just ship whatever. I'm like, well, I don't think that that under the hood is that big of a deal, but I don't know. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, but you have to wait, I think 4 hours, so I have to go back after 2 o'clock. So gonna do some more cleaning and then go get some lunch, and then we'll try again. Okay, we'll see if second time is the charm. It's much cleaner, I think. Not show ready, but maybe when I get back. All right, we passed. Pretty much looked at only the stuff that was dirty from this morning. And now for the nitpicking inspection of all of the dents and dings and whatever. There she goes. Oh, there she goes. Off to the lot and onto a boat.